What is C++? C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance applications. C++ was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension to the C language. C++ gives programmers a high level of control over system resources and memory. The language was updated 3 major times in 2011, 2014, and 2017 to C++ 11, C++ 14, and C++ 17. Why use C++? C++ is one of the world's most popular programming languages. C++ can be found in today's operating systems, graphical user interfaces, and embedded systems. C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development costs. C++ is portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. As C++ is close to C# and Java, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to C++ or vice versa. C++ features. C++ is object-oriented programming language. It provides a lot of features that are given below. 1. Simple. 2. Machine-independent or portable. 3. Mid-level programming language. 4. Structured programming language. 5. Rich library. 6. Memory management. 7. Fast speed. 8. Pointers. 9. Recursion. 10. Extensible. 11. Object-oriented. 12. Compiler-based. 1. Simple. C++ is a simple language in the sense that it provides structured approach to break the problem into parts, rich set of library functions, data types, etc. 2. Machine-independent or portable. Unlike assembly language, C programs can be executed in many machines with little bit or no change. But it is not platform independent. 3. Mid-level programming language. C++ is also used to do low-level programming. It is used to develop system applications such as kernel, driver, etc. It also supports the feature of high-level language. That is why it is known as mid-level language. 4. Structured programming language. C++ is a structured programming language in the sense that we can break the program into parts using functions. So, it is easy to understand and modify. 5. Rich library. C++ provides a lot of inbuilt functions that makes the development fast. 6. Memory management. It supports the feature of dynamic memory allocation. In C++ language, we can free the allocated memory at any time by calling the free function. 7. Speed. The compilation and execution time of C++ language is fast. 8. Pointer. C++ provides the feature of pointers. We can directly interact with the memory by using the pointers. We can use pointers for memory, structures, functions, array, etc. 9. Recursion. In C++, we can call the function within the function. It provides code reusability for every function. 10. Extensible. C++ language is extensible because it can easily adopt new features. 11. Object-oriented. C++ is object-oriented programming language. OOPS makes development and maintenance easier, whereas in procedure-oriented programming language it is not easy to manage if code grows as project size grows. 12. Compiler-based. C++ is a compiler-based programming language. It means without compilation no C++ program can be executed. First we need to compile our program using compiler and then we can execute our program. Recommended applications.
With